Hey everyone, it's Marks here. I'm partnering with Siddhartha Technology to dive into some super simple electronics projects you can build right now. Whether you're a complete beginner, or just looking for a fun weekend project, trust me, I've got you covered. We've got 5 awesome projects lined up, each designed to be approachable and fun. We're going to break down each project step by step, so you'll have all the guidance you need to succeed. So grab your tools, grab your curiosity, and let's get building. Alright, let's kick things off with a classic, the good old LED blink circuit. This is like the hello world of electronics, and it's the perfect way to dip your toes into the world of circuits. What you'll need for this project is an Arduino board, an LED, a resistor, and some jumper wires. We're going to connect our LED to the Arduino, add in our resistor to make sure we don't overload the LED, and then upload a simple code to the Arduino that tells it to turn the LED on and off repeatedly. And boom, you've just built your first circuit. Seeing that LED blink for the first time is such a satisfying feeling. It's like you've brought something to life. Next up, we're stepping things up a notch and building our very own FM radio. The heart of our FM radio is going to be the TDA 7000 IC. This little chip is a radio receiver in a nutshell. We'll need a few other components like capacitors, resistors, and a speaker. Once we've got all our components, we'll carefully connect them according to the circuit diagram. Then, with a little bit of tuning, we'll be able to pick up FM radio signals and blast them through our speaker. It's a super rewarding project and a great way to impress your friends. Chapter 3. Power Up. Building a USB charger. The key component here is the 7805 voltage regulator. This little guy takes an input voltage and regulates it down to a steady 5 volts, the perfect amount of juice for our USB devices. We'll also use a couple of capacitors to smooth out the power and, of course, a USB port so we can actually plug our devices in. Once we've connected everything up, we'll have a fully functional USB charger that we built ourselves. Chapter 4. Light-sensitive alarm catching those sneaky rays. We're going to build a light-sensitive alarm that goes off when someone breaks a beam of light. The star of the show here is the LDR, or light-dependent resistor. We'll pair that with a buzzer, a transistor, and some resistors to fine-tune the circuit. When the light beam is interrupted, the transistor triggers the buzzer, setting off the alarm. Chapter 5. Touch sensor lamp, lighting up the future. For our final project, we're going to create a lamp that turns on and off with just a touch. The secret sauce for this project is a touch sensor module. We'll also need an LED, a resistor, and a power source. Connecting everything is a breeze. We'll connect the touch sensor module to the LED and a resistor, and then connect the power source. Now, with a simple touch of the sensor, we can toggle our LED on and off. And there you have it, folks. 5 simple electronics projects you can start building today. We've covered everything from blinking LEDs to touch-sensitive lamps, proving that you don't need to be an engineering whiz to bring your electronic ideas to life. So use these projects as a starting point, experiment, modify them, and most importantly, have fun with it. Don't forget to check out Siddhartha Technology for all your electronics needs. Happy building!